The establishments menu allows you to track the CSAT and NPS of each of your company's locations, and also compare them with competitors' establishments. In the CSAT section, you'll see customer satisfaction levels for each of your company's units. Compare the results to understand which of your establishments are performing better and which ones need more attention. In the NPS section, you'll get insights into customer loyalty by establishment, identifying which ones have the greatest potential for recommendation and which face the most resistance. If you'd like to compare your results with the competition, click on CSAT Comparison with Competitors. Here, you'll have a complete view of all your company's establishments alongside competitors and can see which ones stand out and which are underperforming. Similarly, in NPS Comparison with Competitors, you'll find the recommendation level for each establishment, inside and outside your company. This information is essential to understand the individual performance of each unit, allowing you to address each one with specific actions, with more focus and greater effectiveness. And if the project you're part of involves companies with product portfolios, the same analyses you've seen here by establishment will also be available by product. That's what we'll explore in the next video.